Scandic Hotel Infra City in Sollentuna, or not, Upplands Väsby, close to Sollentuna border in Sweden. This house has been modernized, unfortunately, or replaced. These were generators before.
Våning 20.
20th floor. I have to check the bill here later. Serial number is 441425. So 1000 kilograms.
Entrévåning.
Ground floor. Very nice looking. It also has fountain with fishes. Inspected by Q1, maintained by Amsler Hiss.
Våning 20.
20th floor. Let's change elevators. The scenic elevators doesn't go here, unfortunately. They only go to the 17th floor. I don't know if the 24th floor is open. No, it's open, but
Våning 24.
but it's 21st floor, but I don't know why it says 24th floor. Strange. The number is 441424.
Entrévåning.
Ground floor. Escalators are also rare in hotels. Inspected by Q1 and maintained by Amsler Hiss.
Våning 24.
24th floor. For 7,000 kilograms. 18th floor. Let's go to my room. Airport bus here, and that's it.